Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever heard about the internet computer blockchain? Then this video can be for you because we're talking about Dfinity and the new concept here. Of course, this video is not a financial advice, it's only for educational purposes, and as usual I'm leaving everything linked down below in the description, and let's get into it. So guys, here we are on the platform. Let's see what's going on here and what they're on about. The Dfinity Foundation is a major contributor to the internet computer blockchain. What's the internet computer blockchain? We will get into that in a minute, but first of all, let's have a look here at the interface of the project and what they're on about. As you can see here, we're aiming to create a blockchain singularity in which every system and service is rebuilt and reimagined using smart contracts and runs entirely from infinite public blockchain without need for traditional IT. I know it sounds a bit weird and I know it sounds a bit complicated if you're not coming from an IT background, but things are way more simple nowadays than it is before. They are a Swiss-based non-profit organization with the largest research and development team in blockchain, and as you can see here, it's a massive team, mostly engineers and technicians. And even if you scroll down, you will find that they have some job offers or positions here. So if you're based in Switzerland, Zurich at least, you can also get involved and see what's going on, and you can join forces with the team. So it's quite interesting to see that amount of engineers and technicians trying to guide their whole effort and focus and expertise in one direction into the Web3. So let's go back to the question, what's the internet computer? Well, when we click here, you will find that it's 100% on-chain Web3, meaning that the chain key crypto advanced contract process HTTP control other change and scale. I know it sounds like science fiction over here, but let me explain it, or let me simplify things. A misconception, at least, that people have to have some certain degrees in programming in order for them to start a blockchain project or to start any crypto project. No, it's not really the case here. As you can see, that's a developer resources, meaning that you can actually choose existing codes, you can actually choose existing project and start to build up upon. And as you can see here, read documentation or start coding. You can start coding yourself, or you can have some sample codes. That's a DeFi, that's a Bitcoin code. Of course, Bitcoin is a well-known open source code. Many people are taking that, or many cryptocurrencies are taking Bitcoin code openly and trying to build up upon. And here you can have the global HTTP website and DeFi, NFT, and you can also have some gaming open source codes, and you can start building on that without need for high expertise in such a thing. So going back to the interesting concept here they have and the dashboard. So let's see here the amount of blocks they're solving. I mean, you know the concept of blockchain, it's interconnected with different computers around the globe, and you can solve some mathematical problems using your computer, and then you can get rewarded by blocks. And these blocks can contain some Bitcoin, some other coins, depending on the network, and you can solve, as you can see here, they have blocks per second. That's the speed they're solving blocks, and the network is operational. And also they have the CPUs, the chain CPUs at 31.6, and the data cost is $0.46 per gigabyte per month. So that's quite a decent price, I would say. And here you can go to the dashboard and see everything more in details, and you can see what's going on here. If you want to get more and more in details, you can check the links down below and start educating yourself and start getting yourself more and more involved. And as you can see here, the cycle burn rate, that's quite interesting. They're burning also some coins to give them some boost, and here you can have all the metrics in a very nice understandable graph if you wish so. And you can also here have all the wallets and all the transactions happening and all the operations within the system. So going back to the simple interface, I know that sounds like, rocket science, but this is a simple term here that this will give you everything at a glance. So what's cool about the internet computer? Well, web serving, web speed, reserve gas. You're not gonna pay much gas fees here. Internet identity, scalables, the app, decentralized apps, you can scale them up over here. Less carbon dioxide. I mean the whole cryptocurrency thing, one of the major challenges now is energy consumption and CO2. So this will be solving such a problem. Liquid democracy as well, and actor model. Motoko, that's a sophisticated blockchain language only for DeFi's over here. Bitcoin liquidity, HTTP out cold as well. I know you have to have some understanding of what I'm talking about here in order for you to fluently understand what's going on. But just in a simple term, this will simplify building and developing and getting involved in Web3 or blockchain or cryptocurrency or NFT space without the need for higher education or without the need for higher complex understanding of what's going on, but you at least have to have some basics of what's going on here. Web3 orchestration, so you can even learn more if you wish to, but in a nutshell that they are dedicating a whole research and development team for such a thing. So that's it here for exploring, that's the basics, and here you can have some showcases, what makes the internet computer unique. As you can see here, you can get in every aspect of what I told you, and you can understand more and more in depth of what's going on and the number of nodes, machines getting involved in every single project here or product here. And no username and password, that's the internet identity. You don't need any username and password. You don't need to be tracked. Of course, tracking is one major issue here. And cryptography security here. Cryptography security is one major aspect, and the ecosystem is quite interesting. So let's go to the ecosystem and showcase what's going on here in the ecosystem. Here you will have that the ecosystem is consisting of all project, wallet, infrastructure, NFT, authentication, tools, social, DeFi app, NNS, DeFi, Ethereum, swap, games, the lot. The lot here is in the protocol. So you can scroll down and see what kind of protocol they want, and then you can get inside, and it's classified also on the type or genre here, the app, authentication, infrastructure, or social, and the app, decentralized app for social, that's an open chat for instance. So you can get a sense of what's going on here for the protocol as well, and you might get excited actually to get your physical business into such a thing and start scaling on the blockchain from this point. So here, if you're a developer, you can also have the developer home and developer resources I talked about before, and here you can have the sample code for Bitcoin, for whatever. I also showed you that. So things are quite exciting in such a thing. So they have also the ICP tokens. So let's go here and see what's ICP token, learn about the ICP tokens, how to stake them, and get involved in the governance of the internet computer and see how ICP works. So as you can see here, you can get them and you can store them, you can earn interest, you can get more and more in an early adopter phase of things, and you can have also participation in centralized exchanges and wallets. And as you scroll down, you can see that you can do also things with the ICP token. For instance, here you can host and you can storing in full NFT collection up to 10,000 NFTs. That would be quite interesting here for the earn staking rewards. As you can see, it's going parabolically high in a number of years. Of course, it's not going to be immediate. Nothing in life is an instant gratification. You have to have some patience and you have to wait for your investment to be fruitful here, and you have an efficient and cheap ICP transfers. So in less fixed transaction fees, less than 0.0001 ICP, that's just nothing. We're talking about less than a penny for transaction, so it's fixed. So that's a huge game changer, and of course there is no gas fees, so this will be completely changing the game in terms of transaction as well in the market. Strong team and community. As you know, the strongest community in the market right now, or in the space right now, or in finances right now, is all cryptocurrency communities or Web3 community or blockchain community. It's getting bigger and bigger. More and more people are getting involved. So let's go to their Twitter, and you can see here 642.8 thousand followers on Twitter, and they're all interactive. They're all sharing ideas. They're all answering questions. Whenever you have anything in mind, you can get in touch with any of them, and you can expand and start networking with like-minded people. So that's the power here of the Twitter community. And the project, as I told you, as I mentioned in the beginning, it's a non-profit organization with a research and development team, meaning that you can actually have some peace of mind that they're not really selling you anything. They're not really trying to force you to get anything. They're even opening jobs and opportunity for people to start participating in the whole concept. So it's a massive project, or a massive ambition, and it will only come true when people start putting together effort and putting all their knowledge in one single goal, which is developing, and that's what R&D is all about. As you can see here, you can even see the full team, and it extends. We're talking about tens and even hundreds of people working together for one single goal. So in a nutshell, that's a very interesting project. I would highly recommend you, if you're interested in such a thing, to check the link down below and get yourself more and more informed and more involved. And as I told you, they have a very nice interface over here. You can get yourself more comfortable with the topics they're talking about, and then you might have the interest and the excitement about even joining the team and putting your knowledge. If you have degree in IT or you have some knowledge in IT, you can also participate, and you can get involved fully and completely and dedicate even your effort into such a thing. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about the Dfinity internet computer and all the concepts they're trying to build here. So I would highly recommend you to check it out down below in the description, see what's going on, get yourself more and more informed, and then you might actually get excited about contributing to the whole concept here and get more involved. So as usual, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, also leave any comment you might have or any question you might have in the comment section below, and see you next one. Bye-bye.